So, you've installed the Zamzar desktop app, and now you want to know how to use it to convert your file? The good news is that it's really simple to use. First, make sure the app is open on your computer. Then, drag and drop the file you want to convert onto the app, or click the Choose Files button to select a file from your computer folders. Once you've added your file, you'll see it in the Files to Convert area of the app window. Next, click on the Convert One File To button, and you'll see all the formats that you can convert your file into. These file formats are listed in alphabetical order. Simply click on the format you'd like to convert your file to. The conversion of the file will then begin. You'll be able to see the progress of the conversion beneath the file name, in the Converted Files area of the app window. Once the conversion is complete, the converted file will be automatically downloaded to the same folder as your original file on your computer, and the app will show the file as downloaded. Clicking on the file in the app window will take you to the computer folder the app is in, so you can open it. Near the top of the app window, you'll see how many conversions you have remaining. If you haven't yet converted any files, the message will read, "Right-click a file to start converting instead." Once you've used your free conversions, if you try to convert more files, you'll see a message that explains that you've reached your free limit. Simply follow the instructions to sign up for a paid Zamzar account to convert more files. And that's how you convert a file with the Zamzar desktop app on Windows. If you have any questions, just take a look at the help section on our website, where you'll find answers to common questions and a link to contact our support team. Happy converting from the Zamzar team.